Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to share your Lovable AI website with clients. First, open the project that you want to share. Make sure you are working on the correct project so your clients see the right content. After opening it, check that the project is published. Only published projects can be shared with others. Once your project is published, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a share button. Click on that button. A menu will appear giving you different sharing options. The first option allows you to add people directly by using their email addresses. Enter the email addresses of your clients in the provided field. Once you add the email addresses, an invite link will automatically be sent to their inbox. If you do not want to share the project via email, you can use the same menu to copy the invite link. Click on the Copy Invite Link option. This link can now be shared on any platform you prefer. You can send it through messaging apps, social media, or directly on your website. Another option is to invite your clients to your workspace. To do this, click on the project name at the top left. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the People section. Click on Invite Members. Enter the email addresses of your clients and select their role. You can make them admins if you are on a paid plan, or leave the default role so they can edit projects and make changes. This allows your clients to access all projects in your workspace in one place. Thanks for watching.